In-field testing with a Keltec CP33, suppressed as well, still smoking. I've just put a few rounds through this. This is a very, very cool little pistol. UK spec, hence the long barrel and the coat hanger. But to be fair, the coat hanger is quite nice in a carbon fibre style. I think that is actual carbon fibre, just to keep it nice and light. So go away, bugs. It is hot right now. It's what, I think it's about 31 degrees. I've already put some rounds through this this pistol, and yeah, it's getting a little warm and a little dirty, so it needs a clean. And I will continue with functionality testing. So far so good. I think I've found the ammo that it really likes, but we're doing a bit of therapy on the target there and shooting a steel, only sort of 20 yards. So, but yeah, so far so good. What a cool gun. Very, very cool indeed. Not a competition gun, I wouldn't have thought. I mean, look at it, it's a bit bulky. You know, I had someone comment on one of the social media platforms that I posted about this, you know, wanting to know how fast it would be to shoot and holster and this, that and the other. I don't think it's a gun for that type of shooting. I certainly wouldn't want to run something as bulky as this for competition. I'd go for something a little bit more sleek, you know, like sort of CZ Shadow sort of thing, or maybe PPQ, something just sort of slim line, you know. That wouldn't be appropriate for speed, I don't think, anyway. And not only that, you've got a heel release magazine, and the friction holds these in, so you wouldn't be able to drop them out. So it's not really appropriate for competition use in my book. You can't just drop the mags like in a conventional, you know, like a 1911 or something like that, where you've got the push button release. With a heel release on the mag, you know, it ain't gonna happen. But a damn good fun plinker, and think so far one of my favourite little pistols so far, the Keltec CP33. It's working really well. I've had, it's 22LR at the end of the day. I've had a few little hiccups, but I think it's because it's getting dirty now. But yeah, so far so good. Tune in to the full review, which will be out soon, but testing continues. I will carry on.